Okay. So, here's the deal. My dogs died, and I'm not having that. And, I found a 3 village thingy. My seed is, that's the seed. Y'all want a picture, a screen, whatever you want to do. Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. It's night. The worst part of the day. But I still really didn't really make my house yet. So yeah, I'll be I need to Okay, well I really don't have anything. I was gonna make some tools. No. Here's the thing, I can run. I'm gonna kill you soon. That sounds a little violent. Oh? Don't mind if I do. They are true. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. I'm stupid. I know. Hi, big guy. You're trash. Wait. Hey, buddy. You want to trade with me? Dang, those trades are... Librarian. No. You want to hurt us? You're going to have to get through. No. We're not doing that. I'm going to let y'all not wait. Okay? Guys. What I just found. Okay, I went outside to kill some skeletons. Almost died. I thought I was filming, and then I realized I wasn't. I was like a fourth of a heart. It felt like, but I killed a lot of skeletons. And then I found these two. And then I thought I was filming, and then I looked over, and then I wasn't filming. So yeah, I had like a stack and a half. This one took like 20 bones, and that one took like 30. That's a little over exaggerating. I don't know why this is 64. That should say like 20. Actually, I guess it was only a stack, but like whatever. And now I'm terrified to go out there. Stop! Oh my god, they're literally so stupid. Dogs. Did a dog die already? I know. Thank you. But if you didn't know, this wasn't like a 3. I think I mentioned that. Alright. Okay. My 2 stupid dogs. So I guess today was kind of an well, I'm not done with the video. Like, I'm so sorry for not filming that part. It was action. Come here, big guy. Stop, big guy. Oh my god. Oh my god, you really want me to kill you. He's killing dogs. I'm telling you, I have the world's stupidest dogs. Kill this thing. Kill this thing. Please. Oh god. I'm gonna cry. I miss my dog. My inventories. Oh. We're going home. Did my dog just die? Bro! Well, just bring up the bones. Come on. I'm still looking for another dog. I'm trying to create an entire army, but they're just not coming. Wait, I just realized I should be there. Oh my god, look at them. I still need to make my house. You know, maybe I should make this a shorter one. In the next video, I'll be getting my house because or maybe I should build my house off camera. Like, maybe, I don't know. I want to build my house like in between the 3, but that's gonna be really hard. Oh, beehive. I'm gonna stick with near my, but then I kind of destroyed the OG. Like, I don't know. That was crazy. 3 though. Oh, and you can't forget about how there was a nether portal and there was an igloo. I miss my old dogs. That second dog died in like 30 seconds. How long have I really been playing Minecraft for today? Hour? Oh? Stop it. I want to kill this. Is my dog driving right now? Okay, well, I'm not killing it, I guess. These dogs, I'm really upset that I couldn't find that one dog that was like gorgeous. You know the dog I've talked about, the brown one? I saw the entire pack of it. And I kind of captured it into a tiny box of obsidian and it kind of left it there and well, you're dying too. Irony. I just want to be part of your symphony. Especially that diamond block, though. My dog is actually gonna die by this thing. Yeah. Stop. Thank you for blocking my dog. Yay. Come on, dog. Oh my god. Wait. Where's village? That's not from me. I believe it would probably be over here. Yes, it is. Dog, get it. Get the pig. Get the pig! Oh my god. You are worthless. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. Okay. Successful video. I've killed so many of those things, so I'll leave you at level 7. You know, maybe once I have my life together in this game, like, literally, maybe we can go to the end. Maybe we can defeat the Ender Dragon eventually. But that's eventually. Wait, where am I going? Okay. Maybe I like here kind of because it's like it's flat. It's close to that village, and then it's kind of close to that one. It's close to that one, and then it's also like flat. And also my stuff's over there, so. And then it's close to everywhere, basically. Yeah, but like I think this is. Oh, it also was close to some sand, and then it's close to mountains. It's close to a horse. It's nice. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. And next one we'll build my house, I guess. Okay.